This is my Federal Enterprises Model A Siren. I just took it apart. Got the cone part here and the base here. The wires were cut short on it. In fact, they only came out to about here, like at the literally at the edge of this. So I went ahead and took it out. Spliced them into a cord here, and I went ahead and tested it before. That way I made sure it didn't blow up in my face. Works good. Works real good. Right now I'm just hoping that didn't max out the volume on the camera, or the microphone, you know. But anyway, that's my Federal Enterprises Model A Siren. For anybody who cares, there is the label. I can't think of the actual name for it, but there it is.